Dispatch, gates open, they're up and racing. 9 Dragon moves up to take the lead and Dottie outside. Galo de Arlo running by the rail inner class. Tarlac running in between runners. Then comes entry number 1, My Sweet Leonora. Followed over on the outside by Speedmaker, and Lucky Lork is running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile pole. Galo Diarlo now takes command by 3/4 of a length lead. Inner class is right behind in second. Racing in third is that stablemate of the front runner, and that's Flying With You. Racing in fourth at this moment, Speedmaker. Tarlac is by the rail. 9 Dragon running third last, second last, Mile Sweet Leonora and Lucky Lord is in behind them past the last 800. It's still Galo Di Arlo by Abaranek. Moving up by the release inner class, closing in third, Flying With You is Speedmaker. 9 Dragon is racing in fifth, Tarlac, My Sweet Leonora, and a long way back to Lucky Lord as they turn towards the last 450. Inner class this time by about 3 lengths. Moving up is Flying With You. 9 Dragon is on the outside as they turn for home. Inner class still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Flying With You is by the rail second. 9 Dragon is on the outside. With the last 150 more to run, it's still Inner class. This time by about 6 lengths over 9 Dragon in second. My Sweet Leonora from the stable of Mr. Rick Aquino, inner class. Second, 9 Dragon, My Sweet Leonora, Lucky Lord. Then comes Flying With You, Galo de Arlo, Speedmaker, and Tarlac comes in last.